What's up, guys? You may or may not have known. I finally made the fighter mech. I never made a tutorial. That changes now, though. Hold on. How do I, Oh, I'm so cooked. I'm trying to turn off my TV. Oh my god. Whatever. If you guys can hear it, you're just gonna have to do it. So basically, I'm gonna be showing you how to build the fighter mech from the title, like the title of the video said. So, oh wait. Gotta say what I say every time. Also, you guys like my new fit? Rate it out of 10 in the comments. My fan code is SpyFire. My name is SpyFire_VR. And this is me. I look like this. New fit. So, here's the requirements. You need, as always, at least one bag of goop. I will be making car next video, by the way. So, at least one bag of goop. Then, the unlockables are going to need bags unlocked. I really recommend crowbar, box fans so you can move with it, and then if you want any like flashlight. And then let me see, is there anything else? Let me see. Oh, you would use. You also need the boxes unlocked. A small backpack in the box. Okay. Okay. So these should be all the requirements. So you're gonna do is you're gonna get your crowbar.
And we've made it over all this stuff. No touching anything. Is that your colorful cigar? And
So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna do what you always do for mechs. I don't even really have to explain it. You put that there. I'm gonna use a big bag. Let me, oh, I could do it like this. Alright. Now, I'm making it look a little advanced, so it looks cool. Because if it doesn't look cool, then it low-key would just be sad. Sorry if you guys hear anything in the background. I swear my dad is a bum. As I said, my dad's a bum.
what?
I'm trying to record and I just hear dun 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 dun.
The video?
Yeah, I'm recording. So it looks like this now. I don't like how that looks. Like that. My god, that looks so ugly.
Some of the wood you can phase through, that's not good at all. We're going to have to be careful. We want to make sure you don't fall. We're going to just try to, I guess, that's about to go. Let's not mess up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Land. Oh, that was a little close. And now let's get through the 3 branches. Oh, we're chilling.
Alright. Now, this is only the first time. I'm gonna do this. And then this. Of course, you don't have to add the fans, but I would recommend doing it since this is gonna be pretty heavy.
so many umbrellas. By that I mean we have one umbrella. But... You've gone off as another monster down. We're up to 4 total. We love that. Jeez, is there a pipe anywhere? Dude, how many umbrellas does this game have?
There.
Whoa.
Now. So you go like that. Then I use this. Alright. And now, should be like this. This is just the first arm, guys. So now, to make the second arm, you're going to repeat the first few steps. You're going to do the same thing.
There's a loot box here. Anything interesting? Cluster grenade? Yeah, move. Oh, wait a second. Am I still crowbar here? I don't know why I noticed that. That's awesome. Okay, we now have a crowbar. This is awesome. Crowbar and flash bang bomb. And you might be wondering, why do you have the flash bang bomb out? It's because I didn't realize we have a huge problem right here with this guy. This is red light, green light, and you're only allowed to move towards him when the light is green. Right now, because it's making everything over here. Going here. I think what we need to do is throw a flash bang bomb over there to freeze him or something, and then if that works, we can go in. Then we can go in and get the kill. Whoa, this guy's so dangerous. People are dying left and right. We gotta like this thing.
Now.
That's even better. Oh my goodness. Wait, this is goated. Okay, alright. I think we have some good stuff happening here. I think good stuff. Ready for the plan. We have this here.
What I'm gonna do is
okay, that was so close. Oh yeah, we didn't touch anything. Okay. The arrow seems useless. We'll keep moving on, alright? We have to kill the system monsters too. I don't know what the best play for it is here. I think we'll try and kill this system monster. And it's a bit of a tricky one. This is not well placed by any means, but I wonder if there's some sort of strategy we can come up with.
now if I grab both of them, I should be able to fly. Yeah, so that is the what I have so far, but I do need to add something on the end of that, so I think I'm gonna add a melee. I'm gonna add this.
You might be wondering why I'm not going to the teleporter exit. It's because I just remembered the teleporter exit is green, so I'm going to go into that. Also, maybe get a little more wood. A pipe. I low-key, is the pipe better? The pipe better. I like the pipe so longer. I wonder if we could just farm a little bit and see if we can get anything else good here. Do we go for the mimic? I think we go for the mimic. Alright, you're a purple mimic. We don't know when we're going to find another good mimic again, right? Something is going to be green. Let's go over here. Whoa, okay. Alright, I'm a little nervous. Let's go.
So now it's time for the head. All you need is a small backpack and a box. You're going to take the small backpack. You're going to put the goop on the front, on the backpack first too. You're just going to stick it on the box. Now, what you're going to want to do, you should be done. You're literally done with the fighter mech. You could do anything you want to change it. It doesn't have to be the exact same as mine. Honestly, I'm gonna have to straighten this. So now, if I got these, I'll show you every feature of the one I did. So the one I did, first features are the melee weapons. There's the lance to hit them and fling them. Then there's the pickaxe if you want them to stay close. And it does a lot of damage. But the pickaxes could also be used for mining. So you could use this as a mining mech too. Now, second feature, the flashlight. You could use the flashlight if you need to see. Now, the third feature, the last feature, you can fly. If you press the B button and the Y button at the same time, you will fly. If you just press the B button or whatever arm it's on, it will activate the light. So, yeah, you could fly, you can hit, and you can see. So, Let me show you what this looks like, because I know this is gonna look really sick.
Again, this has a lot of green stuff over it. It has a whole wall of green. I still don't want to think about that. Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, oh my god, this looks so good. Next video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a mech that I can't really tell you what it is yet. But it ain't gonna be a mech. I'll let you know that. May or may not be a car. This is the end of the video, though. Hope you guys have a good day. This is how to make a fighter mech. See you in the next video.